welcome to the BNC family. I got this Naruto toy. It's the weekend now. So I thank God so I can have this. Give me the knife now, boy.
It's open, baby.
Wait, how? Guys, I do not. There we go, boys. Now I can make a video. Guys, guys, when I make my channel, my own channel, what do you guys want me to make? So there's like all these channels that like everybody makes. So what I'm gonna do is like get these toys and stuff so I can I can do my thing like build up. So dang it. I'm gonna put these back, guys, because I know I don't want them messy. This messed up. What's this?
It has 5 hands, 5 different variations of.
Guys, so in the comments when I make my channel, so I'm gonna make my own channel. So guys, what do you want me to make? So on the creation, I'm gonna make a channel. Everybody make the channel, even Labonte. I saw the channel, guys. So I think so that like I'm just gonna like do stuff like on the weekend sometimes. So I watched this YouTube channel. I was like, oh my, can I get this my mommy? So I asked my mom and her said, can I be good? I was like asking for it, then I got it. So yeah, that's what I did. Just ask for it, and got it. So guys, so when I make my channels, what do you want me to do? So you guys know do you want me to stick up the middle finger? Yeah, that's what